Hello my fellow Aldi addict, it's Jackie. It's another Monday and I'm back at Aldi, except I'm not at my normal Kalamazoo Aldi. I'm actually in Gaines Township in Michigan. I have an appointment out of town, so I'm grabbing groceries on my way home, but here's the cool thing. It's freezing here, which means my van is like a refrigerator and I have a cooler bag. No issues getting the cold food home. So let's get in, see a new Aldi, and get my goods for the week. Okay, so this is a really pretty Aldi and it's right next to a Target, which would be a problem for me back home. Okay, cranberry almond chicken. I want this for wraps. I'm the only one in my family that eats it. If my family loved this, this would be a weekly staple. I love it so much, but I end up eating the whole thing myself eventually. So $5.79, it's so good though. I'm making applesauce this week, so I need more apples. I'm gonna get the Gala. They're $3.39 in the bag. I'm having a hard time because this Aldi is set up totally different than mine and my list is according to my Aldi's plan, but we're making it work. I found the lettuce at $2.79. Ran out of celery last week. My son loves this in his lunch, $1.39. This order feels so wrong to me. Everything is wacko here, but $3.29 for dried strawberries for Elsie. I need more artichoke hearts, $2.59. These will go on wraps, and Elsie wants them in her salad this week. I don't think these look good. Does anyone disagree with me? They look totally not ready to have been picked. Grape tomatoes. We will not be getting those. But I'm getting a couple of Roma tomatoes at 89 cents a pound. I had no luck finding avocado, so I guess I'll have to get guacamole for our wraps. I'm getting tortilla chips for my son's lunch. $1.99. I need white bread, $1.29. Grilled cheese is on the menu. We went to a neighbor's house this weekend and they had Ritz crackers and my kids asked me to get some. I don't know what brand they actually had, but I'm gonna get these at $2.49. And I'm also gonna get the vegetable ones because they're good for 6 months and I think the vegetables even better. So $2.49 each. They have cheese at the end of their first aisle, which is like at the end of my Aldi haul normally, but here we are at cheese and they have lots of selections. I need Parmesan. I'm gonna have to dig to find Parmesan among the Asiago. Oh, no, I thought that was it. But I've been keeping this in a grinder for pasta, or my daughter's likes it on her salad. We might just have to get Asiago here. I'm thinking so. Well, don't tell my family we're going to Asiago. $3.49. Matt asked me to get more feta for salads, $1.69. Now maybe my Aldi has these, I've just never noticed it, but I'm gonna get the peppercorn Parmesan cheese spread, especially now that I have a bounty of crackers. This is $3.29, it just looked really yummy. I need guacamole. I'm getting the classic since I can't find avocado for our wraps, $3.29. And then my husband asked me to get string cheese, $2.59. Okay, to report back, they don't have the oatmeal raisin here, but I did like it. I tried it last week. I haven't done a ton with it, but I did like it and I will be using it so it will not go to waste. So that's good news. And I'm also happy to see that they don't have it here, which means I probably was wise to buy it. I'm making waffles this week and my kids love when I make breakfast potatoes from this at 95 cents. I'm gonna get 4 cans. I wanted to get the Copycat Chick-fil-A sauce, $2.99. I might put this on my wrap or dip my tater tots in it, but it just sounded good and I didn't want to miss out on it. $2.99. I'm very low on cat litter. I generally buy it at Walmart, but I keep forgetting to get it, so I'm getting this, $5.89. I need more of my favorite rice. It looks different, but it still has been working well for me. $4.59 for 5 pounds of jasmine. Running low on yellow mustard at 95 cents. I have some wraps left over from last week to make wraps. I had bought the tomato basil, but I only used one of them. But I'm also gonna get tortillas in case anyone doesn't want that flavor. $1.95. I am running really low on both my bouillon, so I'm gonna get both beef and chicken, $1.79. One of my children requested this dinner, so I'm gonna get a box of extra noodle soup. We'll have applesauce and grilled cheese with it, $1.09. I'm making a ginger sesame steak, and I need thin cut steak, so I'm gonna get this. It's $9.48, $6.49 a pound. We generally get orange juice for breakfast for dinner nights, but I thought my kids would like this, just something different. We haven't had apple cider in a while, and it looks pretty good at $3.19. $1.38 for a dozen eggs. Let's check them before we get them. I could probably still use that one. A little dirty. I was looking for the Aldi brand sour cream. It does not appear that they have any, which is unfortunate, but I'll get the Daisy at $2.35. $2.65 for a gallon of 2% milk. I gotta reach. I'm going to get a bottle of blueberry wine. I haven't tried many of the wines, but once I tried this, it's literally my favorite, and for $4, I really enjoy it. Their frozen section is very different than ours. There are lots of different frozen chickens here, different wings, nuggets, fries, cheese sticks. Well, those would be good for the Super Bowl. Soft pretzels, buffalo chicken dip. Lots of appetizer snacks. Super Bowl coming up. I bet those will be popular. Oh, these are cute. Okay. I was gonna get tater tots, 16 ounces, so I'm not sure how that compares. These heart-shaped potato puffs. They're just so cute. $2.29. I'll get those. Okay, I take it back. I'm too cheap to do it. I'm gonna get the potato puffs that are the same price but double the quantity, so $2.29. I'm getting these instead. Sorry, Aldi. I've been wanting to get this for a while now. I'm gonna get it. I don't eat this very often, but it's good. Thank you very much. $3.29. Well, I'm bummed they don't have my fancy green beans here either. That's too bad. The heart-shaped pizza is really cute. It's 12 ounces. Looks cute, $4.99. The potatoes are a better value than that. A Sasquatch pizza, that's interesting. Different pizza rolls, or the Aldi version. Aldi version comes in about $4 less. Oh, mac and cheese and chicken bacon ranch. Southwest taquitos, those look yummy, but the hard thing is they have beans in them, so my husband won't eat them. We found that out the hard way with the Aldi beef ones. Same thing, they had beans in them. It's hard to feed my family because my vegetarians love beans. My pseudo-vegetarian loves beans. My husband eats meat but doesn't like beans. It's just hard to please everyone. Toasted ravioli, that looks yummy. I don't have it on the meal plan for this week, but maybe next week I'm gonna have a pasta dinner and I'll get this if they have it still, or at least at my Aldi. $4.49 mini ice cream packs. These look yummy. There's 2 white chocolate, 2 milk chocolate, and 4 chocolate with almonds. They're 2 ounces each. Yummy. $3.75 for a lemon water pack. Okay, their Aldi Finds is kind of a mix between the food Aldi Finds and the things. It's set up a little different than ours, but there's some really cool stuff here. I love all the Squishmallows. It's very hard for me to not buy these for my kids as like a Valentine's Day gift because they love them, I love them, but we have so many and they don't need more. Really cute Valentine's Day cards, 99 cents. $1.99 pop-up ones. Okay, they've won me over. They have Nido gummy bears or hearts for only $2.99. That's an amazing price for Nido items. So I'm gonna pick through these and show you what I'm gonna get for my kids. Okay, so even though I have teenagers and my youngest is 7, I still love to get them little Valentines. My 7-year-old especially loves it, but I'm gonna get Disney Doorables. They're $2.99. They have different ones, but my kids always loved, and I know my oldest will still appreciate getting these. $2.99. And then $2.99 a piece for these. I'll get that for my husband and my kids. Those are the only ones they have. We didn't have any gummy bears here, but I love the Nido gummy bears. I actually have one, and I would have loved to have bought another one. but $2.99 a piece, great steal. Okay, I take it back. I'm getting this for my daughter. I just got her a candle warmer. Last week I got her a candle, but I'm gonna get her this, my 14-year-old, instead of the Durables. I just think, even though I know she'd like to open that, she'd probably use this more, and it smells amazing, and girls run the world. This one also smells amazing. I just don't know if she would like peaches. I love the There For You. Probably still gonna go with Girls Run the World. I also didn't plan to finish out Valentine's, but I feel like I'm doing it, I might as well. $3.49 peanut butter hearts for my husband. They also have these really cool build your own Valentine boxes. They're $3.99. Adorable. I always want to love this pasta, but it falls apart anytime I've made it before. I'm so excited this is back for a while. I'm actually going to get 3 bags because it's my favorite, and my kids really like it too, and I never know when it will be here versus when it won't be. $1.59 a bag. If storage wasn't an issue, I would love to have this divided tray, but it looks like it would be a pain to store, and I have enough things that are painful to store as it is. $12.99. Oh my gosh, taunting me with this dress. $12.99. I still live in my other pajamas. Get it? I don't need it, but you need it. Not a ton that is super new here. It's kind of messy and picked over. These are pretty cool. My son would also love this. I wish it was around his birthday time, but you dig out pets and you get a little cage for them, adoption certificate, super cute, and it's only $4.99. That actually might be worth buying for like his Easter. Oh, they also have these. Very cool. I'll have to think about it. These are 2 things that are tempting me. The hazelnut sandwich cookies, so good, $3.49. Coconut spritz shortbread, love those too, $2.99. I'm walking away, but let me tell you, it is very hard to walk away. They're so good. I am also going to get these, I don't know, barbecue honey mustard, probably honey mustard. We all liked them last time. $2.69 just to have them again before they're gone. Okay, well, here is my cart. Any guesses on my total? I totally forgot my cat litter, so here are my 2 totals. Now let's see my meal plan for the week. Okay, tonight, Monday, we are having leftovers of the chicken and dumplings meal. I ended up not having it yesterday for dinner. We had a pantry meal, and so leftovers are tonight. Always works good on a Monday, busier night, easy to have leftovers. We are having grilled cheese, the chicken noodle soup, and I'm making homemade applesauce. I'm hoping I have enough applesauce that we'll also have it for wraps and tater tots. We will have the pepperoni from last week that I bought, and then also my girls, I'm sure will make theirs vegetarian, and I'm gonna use chicken salad. Sounds very good. We're gonna have chicken, broccoli, and rice casserole. When I made my chicken and dumplings this weekend, I had a bunch of chicken left that I didn't put in the chicken and dumplings, and I'm gonna use that in a casserole. That was what inspired me to make this. I'm gonna make waffles and breakfast potatoes. And Saturday, we're gonna have leftovers of these meals. And then Sunday, I'm gonna make ginger sesame beef, broccoli, and momofuku noodles. So this is our meal plan for the week. You know I love to shop at Aldi, but if you want to see a grocery haul from a non-Aldi store, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, done, and ciao.